pretty excited to see. They have some beautiful jewelry to show us. They're also doing like a special recipe of like limoncello spritz. I have no idea. This is my first event with Bulgari, I guess in general in life, and here in Orlando as well. But you know that if it is jewelry, I'm there. Little pit stop at Hermes. The dining pieces, oh my gosh, I want to get this. Not in gold because it will match. I wish it would match. So I'm gonna have to get in silver. Now that my dining set is in pretty good shape, I can move on to the flatware. But look at the cup, how cute. Oh, the necklaces, I want them, guys. And look at the earrings. Ah, so beautiful. Ah, they're gorgeous, but they're too big on me, guys. Oh my god, Chypre sandals! Guys, these are the men's Chypre sandals, and they fit me, okay? Look at this. Hello, Bulgari. Let's go. This bag. Oh my god, look at this bag.
Pretty.
I'm in love. Hello. Oh, object of my affection. All right, little spritz with some fabulous jewelry. Oh, this is object of my affection. And the watch. Look at the watch. Oh my gosh. Guys, how fun. This is so much fun. So many beauties. All of the deliciousness here to shop. Look at this tasting session of all of the deliciousness, guys. Also the bracelet. Hello.
Yeah, I'll just put on my.
I also love these rings. How beautiful. I love this one.
Only comes in the rose.
Only rose.
Rose or
so
white.
this is rose right here.
That is
It's a
rose.
light rose, right? Yeah.
Yes. They don't put as much copper. Some places do more copper in the alloy to make
Okay.
it rose. Ours is more subtle. It's warmer. That's why I feel like I can get away with mixing my yellow and rose from Bulgari.
Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Wow. This is beautiful.
I know, it's gorgeous.
This is a tough choice. And the bracelet. Oh my gosh.
I know. And that
This is
that
stunning.
rose gold like melts into your skin. It's so pretty. It just makes the diamonds pop that much more.
This is stunning. How beautiful. Look how beautiful. This is the shoulder one. And I love the exotics. My gosh. This is what I want, people. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this bag.
I feel like it's blonde.
Oh,
Maybe it was a.
my goodness.
It
Look at this.
was so green.
This is adorable.
But I do.
Cheers! My gosh, you guys. This is from when we are Burush. No, right now. So beautiful. Okay, so this is the B0 lines. Very, very beautiful as well. Look at the diamond pieces. Look at how much this sparkles. My husband already made friends. He's chatting it up with his friends back there. This is the one you voted for, people. So beautiful. I love serpentine.
Serpenti is.
Do you want me to remove the tag for you so you can feel it's better?
So the first is small, second is a medium. I feel like the medium is a little more comfortable. Okay, so I love the watches. This is the one that is actually on my list, which is the Turbo Gas stainless yellow gold with the diamonds. It's absolutely stunning. They have some with the black dial, but I don't like the black. I like the white better. Okay, so there it is. This is the one on my list. Yellow gold, stainless steel. Look how stunning. Ruby dial. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. My God. I'm a rich bitch now. Look at this necklace. And how beautiful the bracelet. And the ring. And look, everything with the serpenti, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Don't need anything else. Like, look at the vibe from a distance. Such big impact. Look. My God, you guys, how amazing. Hello. Okay, now we're having a lot of fun.
You gotta try in the
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what you wanna do.
I have my gym in my house.
Oh my.
So if I can make home if I want to, right? But if
Hello, I was born for this necklace.
53% of that is.
I am absolutely dead.
50% of all that.
Look at this.
South Koreans are crazy. Oh wow, very nice, man.
Babe, I deserve this.
Yeah, sure. No, you better start working.
It doesn't. It looks so much more beautiful in person. Look at this. Hello. I am back home, changed, ready to go to bed, but I had to tell you that I did place an order for something at Bulgari. I could not take it with me because what I wanted exactly in yellow gold was not available at the boutique, so they placed the order for me and I have to go back to pick it up. I'm so excited! It will be my first Bulgari piece. So I'm gonna pick it up, and don't you worry because of course we're gonna have an unboxing, boo-boo. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you had fun going to Bulgari, looking at all of the luxury. Maybe you got some ideas for some holiday gifts. I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.